Hi guys and welcome back, and today we are unboxing Series 8 Lord of Surprise All-Star Sports Movies. I have never had this one, I'm super excited, and 8 surprises. Let's go! This is the most satisfying part. Yes! Oh, is it coming off? Oh, here we go. Whee! Am I doing this wrong? One sec. Fast feet. Fast feet. Oh, and I love how it kind of looks like a little ticket. That is so cute. I'm actually feeling this unboxing day, so I got the Lord as a Christmas present, and actually this is what I'm basically filming on right now. Oh my gosh. Now for the main event. Oh my, that's a lot. This is so cute. I love this little packet. They have definitely changed everything. What on earth is this? Let's see. Ooh. Ice skater? Does that mean we're getting an... Oh, let me look. I think that means we're getting ice skater. Oh, we should have opened that last, shouldn't we? Well, I'm pretty sure we have ice skater. Woo! I haven't done a lot in a while, so I don't know if this is series exclusive with all this new stuff or if it's just what they are now. Let's do this. I love how they're not the little packets anymore for all of them because it's much easier to open. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Excuse me, that's all I'm going to say for the rest of the video. Oh, I'm guessing this is the water bottle? I'll open the rest and then show you them when I'm finished. Bye! So obviously first we have the card Ice 8 and we've got this cute little outfit with a little, I don't know, little thing, scarf thing to go over it. Ice skates. Woo! These adorable flowers. Oh my gosh. Yum. Ooh, what bottle? But now, move aside. The moment of truth. We can now see the doll. Oh, we can see its arm. Oh my gosh, it's way cute as I thought. Oh, what? Am I allowed to question this? There's like a thing in her back. I'll get a change and then see what she does. Wait a minute. OMG. So this is the older ones, and this is the new ones. And just remember that they can do this. Oh my gosh. And they have these cards. Yeah, I've learned my lesson about opening the rest first before you open the card. But it's either this, please tell me, it's either this series is immaculate. Our Lordals have physically changed because compliments to the chef. Amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye!